Hey everyone, I'm here to talk a little bit about PictoChart. PictoChart is a collaborative tool that you can use to make infographics, posters, presentations, and flyers. I recently used PictoChart in another online course that I was taking to create a graphic syllabus. This is a graphic syllabus for a blended science course called Blended Biology. And as you can see, there are a lot of great visuals here along with the necessary course information. So this would be really helpful for students who are visual learners. I found it quite easy and fun to use this. Um, So some of the options in PictoChart, you can choose between these 5 templates here. You can make an infographic, presentation, poster, report, or flyer. Technical requirements to use PictoChart. Using PictoChart works best if you're using the latest version of Chrome or Firefox. To access PictoChart, you can click on the link here. And then once you're here, you can either sign in by creating a new account, or you can log in via your Google or Facebook account. If you do choose to create an account, make sure you keep track of your username and password in case you want to use it again. Today we're going to take a look at how to create a basic document in PictoChart. We're going to create a poster. So once you've signed in, you can go to the poster template here. And then you have the option of putting in shapes, icons, lines. So for today, we're going to work with photos. Once you click on the photo icon, it's going to populate with a whole bunch of different photos here. You can just choose the one you like. You can also find photos by typing in something specific into the search bar here. So when I did this, I typed in photos of Rio de Janeiro, and then I got some photos here that were more specific for what I wanted for my course. And then once you click on the one that you like, you can move it into your workspace. You can adjust the size of it, move it wherever you want it to be. So then you're probably going to want to put some text into there. So you just click on the text box here. And then you'll have some options here. I put in a title. So my title is English Conversation. And then I did a subtitle at the bottom here. I just put in instructor and then my name. Once your document's been created, you have a few options for sharing. You can create a link, you can embed it, you can save it or email it. You can also publish your creation online and share it via social media. Your audience can then interact with the visuals and leave a comment, tell you what a great job you did. So that's how you create a basic document in Piktochart. We use the free version. However, there are some packages available that you can pay for. So some things you get with the paid packages would be unlimited visuals, the options for PDF export, custom fonts and folders. But for today, all we did was use the free version. So that's pretty much how to create a document in Piktochart. It's a lot of fun to use, and I think you guys are going to find it quite useful for your online teaching. Thank you.